Foods Corporation or JFC. Jollibee Foods Corporation develops, operates, and franchises quick service restaurants in the Philippines and internationally. It operates through three segments: food service, franchising, and leasing. The company operates quick service restaurants under the Jollibee, Chowking, Greenwich, Red Ribbon, Makinasal, Burger King, and 15 Hot Pot names. The company is also involved in the lease of store sites, digital printing and advertising activities, and provision of financial accounting, human resource and logistics services, as well as business management services. Jollibee Foods Corporation was founded in 1975 and in the headquarters in Pasig City, the Philippines. JFC's price over earning is the same as the URC. It has the highest price over book and the price earnings growth. Under the price over sales, JFC ranks second. Based on technical analysis, it shows that JFC touched the lower area of the Bollinger Bands between October 15 to 17, and now it's moving towards the middle range of the bands. Once it reaches the upper Bollinger Band, it will go down again. And its RSI is neither oversold nor overbought, and it is a neutral range. However, it came from almost oversold level. That's why it's assumed that it will go the overbought levels in couples of weeks time, and then it will go down again. MACD suffered from a crossover in October 6 and now it's bearish. However, there's another crossover that it's happening this time in a positive side. Once there's a crossover on the process inside, then the prices will go up and then turn again. Currently, Jollibee Foods Corporation is consolidating and it is now moving up. Whenever in a couple days or weeks, it will reach overbought levels again and turn down. Now, looking at the fundamental analysis, it's still very expensive. For me, I suggest stay in the sideline and wait for the RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands to point towards oversold level. Wait for the prices to reach the lower band of the Bollinger to make Jollibee more attractive. Buy. Because currently the price earning is 40. The price over book is again above the market. I recommend that you wait for the sidelines and prepare to buy.
Prepare?